Robinsons Bank account opening online. Paano mag-open ng account sa Robinsons Bank? Gamit lang ang cellphone mo. And kung bago ka sa channel na to and gusto mo pa ng mga tutorial videos na katulad nito, please click the subscribe button. So, nandito tayo sa website ni Robinsons Bank. And kung makikita nyo, andito na agad yung isang type na account nila, which is Simple Savings. So, ito yung i-open natin ngayon. And makakapag-open tayo gamit lang yung cellphone natin. Andito yung process, how to open an account online. So, kailangan ko lang i-download yung app and then follow ko lang yung the rest ng process dito. And about dito sa Simple Savings account, ang maganda rito is 100 pesos lang initial deposit and yung payment for the card is 150 pesos. Yung maintaining balance is 0, so hindi kailangan na mag-iwan ng pera. So, walang magiging deduction sa account natin kahit walang laman or balance yung Simple Savings account natin. And yung maximum account balance is 45,000 pesos lang. So, hindi pwedeng lumagpas sa amount na to yung laman or yung balance ng Simple Savings account. Ngayon, kung gusto mo ng regular savings account na hindi ganito yung account balance na maximum, pwede rin naman kasi merong regular savings account or our bank savings. Ito siya. And yung features niya is yung maintaining balance is 2,000 pesos. So, kung mag-open ka ng account, dapat mag-deposit ka na rin agad ng 2,000 pesos. And meron kang makukuhang Visa debit card. And ito yung sinasabi ko na kapag merong maintaining balance yung isang savings account, kapag nagkaroon ng instance na nag-fall below the maintaining balance, like naging 1,900 lang yung laman ng balance mo, anything below this 2,000 pesos, possible magkaroon ng below maintaining balance charge worth 300 pesos. And withdrawal limit dito, gamit yung ATM dito sa our bank savings, is 15,000 per transaction. Per day naman, 50,000 pesos. And ganun din yung process niya. Download lang din natin yung app and then selfie and photo din yung ID and the rest of the process here. And meron pa silang ibang type ng account aside sa Simple Savings and regular savings or our bank savings. So, andito siya sa website na to. Meron silang ipon insurance kung saan yung savings account mo pwedeng maging times 2, times 3, or times 4 kapag i-claim na yung insurance. So, depende yun sa amount and sa age mo. Meron din silang passbook, meron din silang our reward savings. And ito nga napag-usapan natin yung our bank, Simple Savings, and meron din itong iba pang savings account. And mag-open na tayo ng Simple Savings account. So, gagawin natin siya online. And very quick lang, andito pa yung ibang mga information na dapat nating malaman. Like for the cost, kung mag-withdraw ka gamit yung Robinsons Bank ATM, 5 pesos siya. Kung mag-withdraw ka gamit yung ibang ATM machine na hindi from Robinsons Bank, meron siyang charge na 5 pesos plus yung charge ng ATM machine na yon kung saang mang bank yon. Yung balance inquiry may charge din na 2 pesos. And kung magbabalance inquiry ka sa non-Robinsons Bank ATM machine, may 2 pesos charge plus yung magiging charge ng bank's ATM. And for card replacement fee, 150 pesos. Kung mag-over-the-counter withdrawal ka, 100 pesos yung charge. For inter-branch withdrawal or deposit, 125 pesos naman yung charge niya. Mas malaki. So, let's proceed. So, gamit ko na ngayon yung cellphone ko and i-search ko yung our bank. So, ito siya. So, tap ko to and click install. And na-install na siya. So, pwede ko na siyang i-open. So, dito, meron tayong 3 options. Open a new account, open another our bank account, or open an employee payroll account. So, dito gagawin natin is mag-open tayo ng account online. Hindi na kailangan mag-visit sa branch. So, tap natin tong open a new account. So, how to create a bank account? So, validate your identity. And then, next, complete lang yung details. And then, fund your account now to experience hassle-free banking. So, later on, gagawin natin yan. So, tap na natin tong get started. So, are you a United or US citizen? So, no. Have you worked or applied for citizenship sa US? No then. By clicking submit below, accepted ko naman yung mga terms and conditions for this. You have an option to read all this. Pero sa akin, and for the sake of this tutorial, mag-proceed na tayo and tap ko na tong submit na button. And choose your account type. So, ang pipiliin ko is yung savings account. And tap ko tong continue. So, meron ditong apat na product type. ATM savings account. I believe ito yung R bank savings, yung regular savings account nila. Meron din namang passbook. Merong simple savings account. Ang sabi dito is madali, mabilis, and simple. Meron din silang R reward savings account. So, ang pipiliin natin is itong simple savings account. 100 pesos yung initial deposit. Maintaining balance 0. Yun yung nagustuhan ko dito. Average daily balance is 500 pesos. Maximum account balance is up to 45,000 pesos. So again, sa inyo, kung ang gusto nyo is mas malaki yung balance na pwedeng i-save dun sa account nyo, ang piliin nyo is itong ATM savings account. Kasi wala ditong nakalagay na maximum balance. So balik tayo sa simple savings. And tap ko na itong continue. And here are the things that you need to prepare. Dapat may stable internet connection. And for your selfie, dapat maayos yung pagkuha. Dapat may proper lighting. And for valid Philippine ID, ang kailangan nila is yung SSS. You need driver's license or passport. So ready na tayo and meron akong UMID ID. So I'll tap this I'm ready. And tap anywhere to continue. So tap ko dito. How to successfully complete the eKYC. Nod your head, blink your eyes, and shake your head. So left and right, tingin. And tap ko tong allow. And select your valid identification document. So you need. And tap ko yung next. So kukunan ko lang ng picture yung ID ko. And ito yung ulit yung mga valid IDs. So pwede pala yung PhilHealth. Pwede yung driver's license nga. Passport. So I think okay na to. And I'll tap use. Processing na siya. So, mahalaga talaga na dapat stable yung internet connection. So, contact information na tayo. So, natapos na tayo sa selfie, natapos na tayo sa pag-take ng ID. And by default, automatic, nagpakita na agad dito yung first name, middle name, and yung last name ko. So, most likely, nakuha niya yung details na to nung kinunan niya ng picture yung ID na pinakita ko. And also, yung birth date, nag-appear na rin agad dito. So, tap ko na tong female. And I was born on in. So, itatanong kung saan ka pinanganak. And tap ko tong save. And tap ko tong next button. Processing na ulit siya. And I can be reached via, so kailangan mo i-provide yung active na mobile or email address mo and cellphone number. Make sure na tama yung details na nilalagay nyo rito para hindi tayo magkaroon ng issue sa approval or verification process. So, tap ko yung next. And hintayin ko lang yung code na isi-send daw sa phone ko. So, enter ko na dito yung code. And click ko na tong submit na button. And kailangan ko namang kumpletuhin tong address ko. And my mailing address is different na. So, ilagay ko rito yung updated address ko. So, sa inyo, kung hindi naman magkaiba yung mailing address nyo or yung permanent address nyo dun sa ID, pwede namang i-check nyo na lang yung my mailing address is the same. And then, for preferred branch, piliin ko rito yung siguro yung pinakamalapit na lang sa akin. And itap ko na tong next button. And you're almost done. By signing below, you agree that all information you have provided is true and correct. Tap here to sign. So, ang kailangan ko lang itong lagyan ng signature. And tap ko na itong next. And click ulit yung next na button. And personal information. So, may option dito tayo na i-correct yung mga information dito. So, i-double check ko lang lahat. And so far, tama naman. So, okay na tayo. Tap ko na tong submit. Are you sure you want to continue? Once the form is submitted, you are unable to make any changes. So, dapat tama lahat ng information. So, yes, submit. And and hintayin na lang natin. So, congratulations! You have successfully created your account. Your account number is, ito na yung account number ko kaagad. And meron na rin ako na-receive na text from our bank about this. Ito siya. Congratulations, you have successfully created your Robinsons Bank account. Kindly check your registered email to complete your account details. So, ngayon, i-check ko naman yung email ko. Let's see kung may mga additional instruction doon. And ito na agad yung email. So, click ko to. And dito sa email na pinadala nyo Robinsons Bank, mahalaga na basahin nyo yung mga information na nakalagay dito. Una, andito yung account number ninyo sa Robinsons Bank account. So, meron kang backup copy ng account number mo. Pangalawa, dito may reminder na dapat within 30 calendar days, makapag-deposit ako ng at least 100 pesos. Kung sakaling hindi ko ito magawa, magko-close yung account automatically. And again, kaya 100 pesos lang yung requirement sa akin kasi simple savings account lang yung inopen ko. Pero sa inyo, depende sa minimum requirement ng account, yun yung dapat yung i-deposit sa Robinsons Bank account ninyo. And andito yung iba't ibang ways para makapag-deposit sa Robinsons Bank account. Una, pwedeng over the counter, pupunta ka sa Robinsons Bank na branch para makapag-deposit. Pangalawa, pwede ka rin naman mag-transfer ng pera sa Robinsons Bank account mo, either from other Robinsons Bank account or from other bank account like BDO or BPI or Land Bank or Metro Bank. Or yung third option is pupunta ka sa mga Robinsons Bank agency banking partner outlets. So, gagawin natin yung pag-fund ng pera sa Robinsons Bank account dito sa next video. So, click mo na tong video na to for the next step. Ang gagawin natin is mag-transfer tayo ng pera from other bank to Robinsons Bank account and online natin yan gagawin. And subscribe ka na rin para sa mga succeeding videos like for this one, mag-enroll tayo sa Robinsons Bank Digital Online Banking and also ipapakita na rin natin kung ano yung itsura ng Simple Savings Virtual Debit Card. And sana nakatulong tong video na to. Please let us know by clicking the like button. And this is Lou from Invest Library. Until next time, bye-bye!